afternoon, guys, and it's a lovely afternoon, and I've wandered over to South Weald Country Park in Essex in England. I'm just taking 5 minutes out to bring you an update or a blog, because it's been chaos the last couple of weeks. I've done the 3 videos on the centre console, which was supposed to be one video and just went massive and out of control, and it's just taken so much time to catch up on it, but that's all done now. But plan was to work with Nick at Cars with Scars and bring you like a special video once a month from Nick at Cars with Scars, but Nick contacted me. He was quite chuffed with the video, and he wants to do his own channel, and he wants me to help him with videos for his channel. So I'm really looking forward to that. I think that's going to be a really good project, because there's a lot of potential there for some really good content, but it's more work on top of all the work I've already got, on top of doing my own videos. So it's going to be quite challenging for me. So please bear with me, and I'll do my best to bring as much footage to you as I can and spread myself out a bit. Also, I sorted out some issues with the editing software, so that should improve the quality of the videos. And as you can see in the other shot from the other camera, which I hope is still recording because the battery's almost flat in it, I've bought myself one of these Smooth Q gimbals to try and improve the footage I get from my phone, the handheld footage. So, and I bought some microphones, some decent microphones as well. But in my wisdom, I've left them in the boot of the car. So I'm working on the like built-in microphone on the phone at the moment. But it's not windy today at all, so hopefully you can hear me. Where I'm so busy, Nick's been good enough to agree to do the meshing in the front grille, do the mesh in the front bumper for me later this month. So I've got to organise getting the car in to him to do that, and of course I'll bring you a video on that. Pretty much it's going to be the same as I'd do it myself. It's just that Nick's going to be doing it, or Darius will probably actually be doing it. Also, on top of that, I've got to get the hinge sorted out and the cover for the armrest. I think I'll get that done next, so that the centre console's finished completely. So that will be the next sort of kind of small project we do. Still got a colleague working away at getting the website sorted out so that we can get that back up and running. Hopefully, fingers crossed. A little bit of wind there, so I hope it's not interrupting too much. Fingers crossed, that will be up next month. So that's it for the moment. That's all I'm bringing you this time. Lots going on. I will try and bring you as many videos as I can, try and squash everything in. I've only got about an hour I can hang around here and chill out and relax, so I'm going to enjoy that. And I'll bring you a few shots of the country park to just show you how beautiful it is, and leave you with those until we meet again in the next video. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, please click like if you enjoy the videos, and click the little bell so that you get notifications each time I bring out a new video. If there's anything you'd like to see particularly, or a way you would like us to go, then drop it in the comments box below and I'll see what I can do for you. So I'll see you in the next video. Not sure what that's going to be. Possibly the grilling for the bumper, possibly doing the armrest, maybe something completely different. We'll see. So see you again soon. Bye guys. They say if you don't stop and look back at it, then you've bought the wrong car. I think they're right.